Hi everyone, today let's see how to use sample data to learn Power BI. So what you have to do is you have to click on the get sample data, and after that you will get the load sample data option. Then you have to click on that. Later you can see the navigation window where you will get whichever table that is available inside that sample data. So here there are two pages. I will choose only one financial page, and we can use either load or transform data. If you want to go to visualization page, then click on load, or else if you want to go to Power Query editor, click on transform data. Right now I want to do the data cleaning, so I will go to transform data. Okay, now I will go to Power Query editor. Here you can see that in the left side there is queries, financial table. You can see that is what I have loaded, and other than that here you can see there are multiple columns and many rows. Okay, so you can see that segment is the header, that is column name, and like that there are many columns available here, and there will be multiple rows as well. And here this is the applied steps where you can see source navigation. By default change types, it is by default it will change the type according to its assumption. If it is not correct, then you have to make changes to it. And if you want to do the data cleaning, have to apply any steps here for cleaning process, it will be shown in applied steps.